Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn a super fun mini story lesson about Where is Mimi the cat? Let's dive in. Story title, Where is Mimi the cat? Story teacher reads with actions. Hello, this is Mimi the cat. Hello, this is Mimi the cat. Oh no, Mimi is missing. Oh no, Mimi is missing. Ask students. Where is Mimi? Where is Mimi? Number 1. Mimi is in the box. Mimi is in the box. Show or point. Show or point. Nasa loob ng kahon. Nasa loob ng kahon. Number 2. No, wait. Mimi is under the table. Mimi is under the table. Nasa ilalim ng mesa. Nasa ilalim ng mesa. Number 3. Oh, now Mimi is on the chair. Oh, now Mimi is on the chair. Nasa ibabaw ng upuan. Nasa ibabaw ng upuan. Number 4. Mimi is behind the door. Mimi is behind the door. Nasa likod ng pinto. Nasa likod ng pinto. Number 5. Look, Mimi is between the boxes. Look, Mimi is between the boxes. Nasa pagitan ng mga kahon. Nasa pagitan ng mga kahon. Number 6. Finally, Mimi is next to me. Finally, Mimi is next to me. Nasa tabi ko si Mimi. Nasa tabi ko si Mimi. Comprehension questions. Ask. Where is Mimi? Where is Mimi? Is Mimi under the table? Is Mimi under the table? Students answer. Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. Follow-up activity. Students draw Mimi. Mimi is in the box. Mimi is in the box. Then say their sentence aloud. Why kids love this? Story plus movement equals better memory. Story plus movement equals better memory. Repetition without boredom. Easy to act and laugh. So, there you go guys. This video answer about a super fun mini story lesson. Where is Mimi the cat? Thanks for watching.